Hi, my name is Miss Nichole, and I'm the Children's Librarian of the Eastmont branch of the Oakland Public Library, and I'm here to introduce to you one of our new services, Tutor.com. So we're going to get rid of my face, and we're going to get started. Here we are on the opening page of Tutor.com, and the question would be, I'd hope you'd ask as well, how do I get here? Well, there are two ways to get here. The first thing you're going to do is type in Tutor.com/OPL, and it comes right up. So hold on, let's back out of this. We'll do Google first. So, see, we're in Google like normal. Yep, I misspelled it. There you go. There you go. You're right there, and you're going to input your library card number. What we're going to do is I'm going to pause it because it doesn't hide your library card number. And when we come back, my library card number will be in, and we will be able to show you the home screen. So here we are back at Tutor.com. And this is what it looks like on the homepage. And Tutor.com is really good if your kids or even you have questions on their homework. So when you're on the homepage right here, just scroll down like I'm doing, and they're going to ask, what do you need help with today? First thing I want you to notice is what I'm highlighting with my cursor is you can change the language, English and Spanish, whichever one you're most comfortable with. And then you just follow the drop-down menus. So let's say you need a math tutor. When I was in ninth grade, math was the hardest for me because I was in algebra. So for the sake of this example, we're going to pretend back in ninth grade math. Now, one thing you're going to have to ask yourself is, do you want voice chat? If you want voice chat, click that box. You must have a microphone, you must have speakers, and it's going to warn you that you may have to wait a little longer if you want voice chat. For the sake of this example, we do not want voice chat. And they're just going to enter your question. So let's pretend you don't understand variables. It's like, I need help understanding variables, something like that. You don't have to spell it correctly, but I like to spell things correctly when I can. If you wanted to, you could also attach a file right here of your whole homework sheet or the child's homework sheet, and then you just hit connect now. And yes, this is where the wait is generally the longest, depending on what time of day and how many young people are on the website at the time. Right now, we're getting pretty lucky. We're waiting 1 minute. Once you are inside, it is going to connect you to a screen that looks like this, which is really nice. So on your far right, you have your chat boxes complete with bold and underlines, and you can type your text. You have your workspace drop-down menus here and all of your settings. So we have our whiteboard, which I really like, and your graphing calculator. You have your different actions. And then right here, we have our different ways to write and communicate and really get creative and understand what's going on. Oh, great. We have a tutor that has joined our session. I'm going to type that we're just exploring for a bit because we're doing an online video. But instead of typing that in, if you had a question, this is where you would type your question, and you would start your interactive process with your tutor. They would type in right, you would type in right, and where we could figure out, how to solve your problem. See? Once you're done with your question and you've gotten your answer to your satisfaction, you just say thank you and you can leave the chat. Once you leave the chat, you click the close button right there, leave, and you're done. It says thank you for connecting, and it's as simple as that. If you have any problems finding it, let's say you don't remember tutor.com/OPL, you can also find this on our regular website. So here we are at oaklandlibrary.org. You would go to online services. And when you made it to online services, you would scroll down to online research and learning. You would click on that. Once you're in online research and learning, you have filter databases by subject. Click on one, but you're going to scroll all the way down until you hit student resources and click apply. Once you're in student resources, you're going to scroll all the way down almost to the bottom of the page. And there you have it, tutor.com. Click on there. And voila, you're back in. The reason this one right here did not ask for my library card number is because I just put in my library card number earlier. Once you put your library card number in your computer, tablet, or phone, it will remember it unless you delete your cookies, which is really nice. So you don't have to look for it again and again. So that is all for right now. I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction of Tutor.com. If you have any further questions, please don't forget to ask us. One of us will be happy to help you. So thank you very much again, and I look forward to serving you in person soon. Bye.